Today we're going to talk about another class in our program, which is the ranch riding. Now, the ranch riding class is a single horse and rider event, so you're judged on your own. It's not a group class, and it's judged on your ability to show your horse off through the transitions. So there will be a pattern, and as our shows are running under the AQHA performance rules, if you go to the AQHA website, you will see the patterns on there. We will also have them posted on my website, suewilliamsequine.com.au. The patterns will be posted up there, so keep watching that anyway. So the ranch riding, be prepared to come in looking confident and well dressed, well coordinated, and the event itself is judged on manoeuvres. So when you come in and the pattern might say a walk, you're judged at the walk, and the judge will score a manoeuvre score. You go into the trot, it's a sit trot like I've said in my previous videos, and you will be judged on the sit trot. You may be asked to extend the trot. In fact, you will be asked to extend the trot. That again is scored on that. So be aware of all your different paces will be scored, and your transition between those paces will be scored. So a few things to remember. You will have a pattern, so you'll have plenty of time to learn it. You are judged on your own, and there may be things in a ranch riding class like a side pass, maybe a spin. Quite often there's just little things in that will show that your horse is broke, and that's all the judge wants to see. And the other thing that's so important, and I know all judges will agree with this, is a good expression on your horse. He or she needs to have the ears up, going forward, looking like a really happy horse to be there. We don't want to see pinned-eared, switchy-tailed horses. So keep that in mind when you're working at home. Keep it fresh for your horse, and can't wait to see you have a go at the ranch riding class. It's a fun class, bit scary to start with, but once you do it once, you'll go, don't know what I was worried about. It's a great class.